Tony. You're back in Pop-Pop's workshop. So we just finished up first run with the Ego snowblower, and while it was still fresh, I wanted to give my impressions. And this is the non-self-propelled model, 21-inch wide, and they claim 35 feet of throwing distance from the chute, and a lot of it when I was on full power, absolutely 35 feet is reasonable. And that's not going to do that all the time. Sometimes you hit a big drift, it kind of bogs down. Today it was a little, the snow was a little wet, so I'll tell you about our circumstances here. We have a double car garage, so we have a double driveway, and it is not concrete. It's kind of grass, gravel, over the years packed down mix. So it's kind of up and down, and the snowblower did great. It did wonderful. So even with a little heavier snow, plowed in at the end, it just kind of chewed through that. I'd take my time, and it did great. As I've said in the past, I do have some limitations with my heart and stamina and things, and so we were wondering, would this be a good alternative? And I'll just say it is. If I were trying to shovel any of this, I'd have gotten nowhere. It was a little heavy. I'd have worn out in no time, and somebody else would have had to do the work. So this has allowed me to reclaim a little bit of my outdoor activity without too much worry about excess stress. Am I tired? Yeah, I'm tired, but this is a great snowblower. So if you get the chance, I highly recommend getting one of these Egos, either the larger self-propelled mower or self-propelled blower. I will get a mower now with how easy this was. But yeah, I definitely recommend this machine. It's great. And if you're going to get into this line, they've got a lot of outdoor power equipment that you can also get into as a homeowner, DIY, even landscaper. There's a lot of things here that are really greatly improved over the last several years. So Ego's done a wonderful job. So again, guys, I can't say enough about this. Thank you for watching the video. Again, don't take for granted that you're watching the stuff that I put out. I thank you for that very much. So again, until next time we see you, remember, you can do this.